Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to safely eject a USB flash drive from a Mac computer without losing the data. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the USB flash drive, which can have a capacity of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 gigabytes. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. For this tutorial, we are not really focusing on the memory. We are really focused on how we can safely eject to secure our data and not lose anything, because there are times where you could just eject or remove the USB and the data has been lost because we did not safely eject that device. So let's now insert the USB into the Mac computer. Done. That should now show up on screen. There we have it. USB, a 4 GB USB flash drive. Let's now increase the Finder window, and there we go. So what we can now do is let's close out the Finder. We wish to eject, so if we hold down 2 fingers on the trackpad and eject USB, that is now safely ejected. We can now remove the USB from the Mac computer. There we go. We have not lost any data. If we now reinsert the USB back into the Mac computer, that should show up on screen. Let's click that. There we go. Increase the size of the Finder window, and all the information that we saw before is still visible on screen. Close Finder. Command E to eject. Remove the USB. So that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.